All right, guys, what's going on? Levi Trumbull reporting here. So today we're going to bring you an original story. It is quite newsworthy, and no other news media outlets have touched this topic yet, but we are going to hear first. So I have been able to independently verify the situation and what is going on. I will say right from the get-go, I do not have all of the information about the case. We are in the early stages, and no official reports about the situation have come out yet, but nonetheless, we're going to tell you what's going on. So that being a particular doctor in Boonsboro, a Boonsboro family practice physician, it appears has just been charged with a litany of traffic violations, and serious ones at that. We're going to tell you what's going on here in a minute. But first, I want to lay out who the parties are in this situation. So we're going to be talking briefly for a moment about this doctor right here, Dr. William Bodenheimer out of Boonsboro. I guess he runs a practice called South Mountain Family Practice. I guess a very well-known Boonsboro doctor. You can see him right there in the blue polo shirt. When you come back here, you can look at images, more images of him. Seems to be right here to the side, images. So there he is right there, and I guess he works in, I guess his main shtick is with a family practice physician. So anyway, that's who it is. That's what he does. He's a well-known guy in Boonsboro, evidently. Well, it looks like he just ran himself into a little bit of trouble on January 29th. We're going to be talking about these cases right here. We're going to be highlighting those cases right here. So let's go through them. And again, I don't have all of the information, the chronological information before me, but we do know that he was charged with 9 counts of traffic offenses as it relates to a DUI incident where he wrecked his vehicle into somebody and caused a personal injury. So let's just take you right to the first charge. Guess we're going to have to do this again. BODE. 1 second, that's what happens. All right, bingo. So again, let's take you to the incident. As you can see, 9 reference numbers. And that first charge is going to be for driving a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol. Again, it looks like there are a few charges specifically related to driving DUI. And apparently, as you can see right here, contributed to an accident, yes. Personal injury, yes. It was driving a 2020 Mercedes C-Class. Let's go to the second charge. Driving vehicle while impaired by alcohol. Then we have driving vehicle while so far impaired by alcohol cannot drive safely. From there, we have reckless driving vehicle in wanton and willful disregard for safety of persons and property. Negligent driving vehicle in careless and imprudent manner, endangering property, life, and person. Then we have a driver failure to obey properly placed traffic control device instructions. And then directing and permitting highway vehicle operation contrary to law. And then the final one we have here is failure of individual driving on highway to display license to uniformed police officer on demand. So either he didn't have his driver's license, or he didn't display it, or that was something to something's going on there. But as you can see, again, and I've checked with the courts, there is no established police incident report as of yet that's been made public on the case. But again, filed on January 29th. As of this recording of this video, He has an attorney that has entered his appearance on his behalf. Looks like Reginald Jordan of Portner and Shore. That's going to be his attorney who represents him in the matter. But honestly, guys, as you can see, a very crazy situation. A very crazy situation right here. You have a well-known doctor out of Boonsboro being charged with a litany of DUI charges where evidently he contributed to a vehicular accident and then hurt somebody on top of that as well. And again, you see an entry of an attorney right from the get-go. One would think that a person would be very concerned about this matter. So we'll see what happens, guys. We'll try to follow this incident, see where it goes from here, but a relatively new situation just hit the court dockets, and we checked it out. No other media outlets have reported this as of yet, but when I caught wind of it and I checked into it, I was able to confirm that, yes, that appears to be the case, that this doctor in question, this well-known doctor out of Boonsboro, was charged with these things, and there's going to be a case that moves forward. So again, at this time, I can't tell you how badly anyone was hurt. I can't tell you the state of anyone's vehicles. I cannot tell you those specific details because I don't have any of that information in front of me. And the timeline surrounding when it may come out is discretionary, right? So if there's ongoing litigation as it relates to this whole situation, they might not release a report immediately. You know, we see things like that happen frequently. So I don't know yet, but nonetheless, charges have been filed. Evidently, a serious incident did transpire. 9 traffic counts as it relates to Dr. Bodenheimer of Boonsboro. So with that, we'll keep up on it. We'll check in on it from time to time. But I definitely wanted to bring it to the viewers because it's a very interesting local story. And with that, Levi Trumbull reporting out of Frederick, Maryland. Guys, we'll catch you.